Hey people, just a quick video on how to create parties on the PS5. Now first what you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your control pad, and on the bottom here you want to come across to game base. Now on the game base you want to come to the second one here, which is the parties. Now here it'll list all the parties that you're currently in, but if you want to start a party you want to click start party. Now you have two options. You either have an open party or you can have a closed party. The open party is where friends and friends of friends can play, and the closed party is only selected players can join. So let's select open party, and you can rename the party name here. You can invite players straight away here, and you can select if you want a required to join button or not, and also the player limit. So once you're happy with all the settings, you come up and select start party. Now here you can come down and start inviting players, and you can come to your friends and select them from here. You can then come to the play together. These are all the players that you've recently played, which is all the players that you've recently played. You can select them to join the party if you wish. You can also search out players by coming to the search. Let's search out some random name here. So you'd select them just as you'd select a friend, and this is how your friends list would look and play together. So you'd just simply select any player, and then you'd come down to the bottom here and select invite. So let's cancel out of that because we don't actually want to invite them. You have a few different options across the top here. And you have even more options to change all the settings in the party, and once you've done with the party you can simply click leave party to close the party. And that is how to create parties and eventually close them down. Hope that video was helpful. Thanks for watching.